大家好, today we're going to install Anaconda in Windows 10. I prefer Anaconda for the installation or easy setup of Jupyter and Spyder. So first what we do is go to the Anaconda official website, anaconda.com, and in the website we go directly to the downloads. Since I'm using Windows 10, I simply click here Windows and prefer the higher version, so I choose Python 3.7 version for the download. This is quite a large file. Downloading may take some time. For the installation, I just choose the recommended settings. The installation will again take some time, so everything that follows is actually sped up by multiple times. Now once the installation is completed, we try to open it by locating Anaconda Navigator. So we just go to the search panel here. This is how the Anaconda Navigator looks. So we have the pre-installed software here. We have the Jupyter Lab, the Jupyter, the IPython. So for today, I'm going to open Spyder for you. So this is how Spyder looks. You have the IPython console on the lower right, and the main editor is on the left part. Since I will be using Spyder many times, I want this to be on my desktop, so find for the Anaconda Navigator and drag it on my desktop as shown. That ends our tutorial for today.